In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner or an accountant, managing receivables properly is essential for healthy cash flow and accurate financial reporting. So let's walk through the entire process step by step. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your credentials on the sign-in page and click Continue. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you're ready to begin. On the left-hand side, click the Create button. This is where you create new transactions. From the menu that appears, choose Journal Entry. Journal entries allow you to manually record important financial activities, including accounts receivable. At the top of the journal entry screen, enter the journal date. This should be the date the transaction actually occurred. Keeping the correct date ensures your books stay accurate and lined up with your business activities. Next, you'll work on the first line of the journal. Open the Account drop-down and select the correct income or sales account, whichever category the revenue from this transaction belongs to. After choosing the account, type the amount in the debit column. Remember, accounts receivable increases with a debit, so this step records the revenue side of the transaction. In the description box, add a brief note. This could be an invoice number, the customer name, or a short explanation of what the transaction is. For clear descriptions, make it easier to understand entries later, especially during reconciliation or audits. Now move to the second line. Open the account drop-down again and select accounts receivable. This is what connects the transaction to the customer who owes you money. Enter the same amount in the credit column to balance the journal entry. On this same line, look for the name field on the right and choose the correct customer from the list. This step is crucial because it assigns the receivable to the right person, ensuring your reports clearly show who owes what to your business. Once everything is filled out, take a moment to review the details. Make sure the accounts are correct, the amounts match, and the customer name is assigned properly. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close. And that's it. You've successfully recorded accounts receivable in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your receivables organized helps maintain smooth business operations. And with a bit of practice, this process becomes quick and effortless. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials. Happy bookkeeping.